Hey YouTube, this is a tutorial on how to get boot logos on your iDevice. This does not work with all firmwares. There's a couple ways actually, but on unfortunately on my device it doesn't work, but I've done it on other people's devices. So here's a quick tutorial. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you want to go to Cydia. So once you get in, once you get into Cydia, which I'm loading right now. You're gonna want to go to the first way if you have this works on some versions but not very, not a lot. You're gonna go search and search for logo me. Now, if you can see after my device loads this, but this is one thing I hate about Cydia. Cydia is really slow sometimes, but it's pretty cool. Go to logo me, type it in on your search bar on Cydia. You can see that? It'll pop up with this right here. That right there. And so you're going to click on it. And once you get it in there, I mean, it's going to come up. You're going to go to install. And then you're going to install it. And after you install it, I don't have it, but right here, it should pop up as your next app on your thing. So like right there in the blank space should pop up right there. After it pops up, you're just gonna click on it, and if you want to get an image, you can either use one. You can use one from your camera roll if you've taken pictures, but the thing I like to do is I like to get on the internet. If you get on the internet and look up uh, iPod or just regular, just search boot logos, it'll come up with a bunch for your iDevice, the 4G fourth generation. The best size I think is a 480 by 320, and then there's another one that's like it's 6 something by 9 something, but I don't remember it. But what I've used and it looks pretty good on the preview is a 480 by 320, and it'll come up with a bunch of ones from different jailbreak softwares and stuff. After you do that, you're gonna click on the logo me or whatever if you're already in there, and you're gonna go to I think it says download image or upload image. And you click on that, you're gonna have to type in the HTTP or whatever at the beginning of the thing, and then type in the web page exactly. But what you want to do on the web page, you want to go to the full size image and make sure it's just the picture, nothing else. And then once you have that, you're gonna type in the web address completely, all of it, and then hit upload or go, whatever. And it's gonna show you, and you're gonna hit preview. And if that's the one you want, then just restart your iDevice and it should show up. And then that's pretty much how you use Logo Me. Another way is on you can use Animate, which is I got this in my settings, but it won't work. It'll end up showing up like this. Right here in your settings. If you go to settings and just scroll all the way down, it should say right here. If you look, it's boot logos. You click on it and I have a bunch of them, but like this one's by Green Poison. If you see this, watch, ready? His eyes glow and then it glows up. You can get some pretty cool ones. But anyways, that's how you do that. But in order to get that, you need to go to Cydia. And you're gonna go to search. You're just gonna look up animate, which when my thing loads, I'll show you. You're gonna go search, and then instead of logo me, you're gonna type in animate. So animate. It should pop up with that thing. I've got that right here. Top, if you can, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little bright. Hold on, one sec. Let me see if I can show you. Right there. See on top. And after you get that, you're gonna download it, and it should be in your settings. But if Animate and Logo Me don't work for you, just go to the next one is Animate. Just type in Animate Fix, and I've got that too. It should say right there. See, it's like it says I animate fix for iOS 4.xx, which just means for really any other version, and it'll do the same thing in your settings. Then once you change it and you turn it on, you can get the animated boot logos, or you can get the regular. Just look in Cydia, search boot logos. So that's just pretty much the 3 ways that I know to do your boot logos. I'll be doing more videos. Rate and subscribe to see my other video on how a couple cool apps on Cydia. Thank you.